Hello students, today we are going to discuss the concentration of solution from the chapter 1 basic concept of chemistry. Okay, so solution is a mixture of two or more components where the components are uniformly present throughout. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components where the components are uniformly present throughout. And the concentration of a solution means the number of moles of a solute or amount of a solute present in a specified volume of a solvent or solution, that is called concentration of a solution. If in a specified volume of a solution or solvent the amount of a solute is more, then we can say the solution is higher concentrated solution or more concentrated solution, and if the solute is less, then it is called less concentrated solution or dilute solution. Okay, so concentration of a solution means the number of moles of a solute or amount of a solute present in a specified volume of a solvent or solution. Okay, our point is to discuss the how we express the concentration of a solution in different terms. Okay, so there are different terms used to express the concentration of a solution, like the strength, molarity, molality, mole fraction, percentage, ppm, normality, etc. These are the terms used to express the concentration of a solution. We are discussed one by one: strength, molarity, mole fraction, percentage, ppm, normality. Okay, these are the terms which are used to express the concentration of solution. Okay, the first one is strength, that is S. Okay, strength is denoted by the letter S. So strength, so strength is the term denoted by the letter S. So strength is defined as the amount of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. The amount of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution, that is called strength. The amount of a solute in gram present in 1 liter of a solution is called strength. Okay, the strength S is W2 by V in liter. Okay, what is W2? Amount of a solute in gram. What is V? Volume of a solution in liter. Where W2 is weight of solute or mass of a solute or amount of a solute. Okay, so amount of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution is called strength. Suppose in 10 liter of a solution, in 10 liter of a solution, 50 gram of a solute is present. 50 gram of a solute present in 10 liter of a solution. Then what is the solute present in 1 liter of solution? It is 50 by 10, that is 5 gram per liter. This is the strength. The strength has the unit gram per liter. The strength means amount of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. Okay, so just example what I told, if in a 10 liter of a solution 50 gram of solute is present, then what is the strength? It is 50 by 10. What is the solute present in 1 liter of a solution? So 50 by 10, that is 5 gram per liter. So what is the unit for strength? it is gram per liter, and if volume is given in milliliter, it can be converted into liter by dividing 1000. Okay, our strength is W2 by V in milliliter divided by 1000, which is into 1000 in the numerator. Okay, the strength is W2 by V in milliliter into 1000, where volume is given in milliliter units. Okay, so strength means amount of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution, that has unit gram per liter. Okay, second one is molarity. Molarity, that is denoted by capital M. Okay, so molarity means number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. Number of moles of a solute, number of moles of a solute in 1 liter of a solution, number of moles of a solute in 1 liter of a solution, that is called molarity. Number of moles of a solute in 1 liter of a solution, that is called molarity. Number of moles in 1 liter of a solution. What is the mathematical expression? N2 by V in liters. What is N2? N2 is number of moles of a solute, which is W2 by M2. Number of moles is mass by molecular mass. What is W2? Mass of a solute. What is M2? Molecular mass of a solute. In the solution, the subscript 2 is used generally for solute, 1 is used generally for solvent. So what is W2? Amount of a solute. What is capital M2? Molecular mass of a solute. What is V? Volume of solution in liter. So we can write for molarity, the expression molarity is W2 by M2 into 1000 by V in milliliters. Okay, volume is in liter unit. If it is given in milliliter unit, then it is V by 1000. Okay, which becomes 1000 by V in milliliters. So final expression for molarity is W2 by M2 into 1000 by V. What is W2? Amount of a solute. What is capital M2? Molecular mass of a solute. What is V? Here V is in liter unit. If there is 1000, V is in milliliter unit. Okay. So what is the definition of molarity? It is moles per liter, number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. Number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution, that is called molarity. And if 1 mole of a solute is present in 1 liter of a solution, then it is called molar solution. So molar solution means molarity is given 1. Okay, if molarity is 1, then it is called molar solution. And like that, if molarity is 1 by 10, then it is called decimolar solution. Then decimolar solution means 0.1 mole of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. Like that, in centimolar solution, molarity is 0.01 1 by 100. In millimolar solution, molarity is 1 by 1000. Okay, so if molarity is 1, it is called a molar solution. If molarity is 0.1, decimolar solution. If molarity is 1 by 100, centimolar solution. If molarity is 1 by 1000, that is called millimolar solution. Okay, so molarity means number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so if molarity is 5, then we can say 5 mole of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. So molarity of a solution given means number of moles of a solute given and a volume of solution is given. Like the example, if molarity is 5, then what is the number of moles of solute? 5 moles. What is the volume of solution? 1 liter. So molarity means number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. If molarity is 5, then we can say 5 mole of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. Okay. Suppose there is a question, calculate the weight of a solute required to prepare 500 milliliter of decimolar solution of H2SO4. Okay. Calculate the weight of solute required to prepare 500 milliliter of a decimolar solution of sulfuric acid. This is the question. Then data is given. Molarity is decimolar solution means molarity is 1/10. Okay. For sulfuric acid molecular mass is 98. Okay. And volume of solution is given 500 milliliter. Molarity is given, molecular mass of solute is given, volume is given. We can calculate the W2 or weight of solute. So molarity M is W2 by M2 into 1000 by volume in milliliter. Okay, then it will be molarity is 0.1, W2 to be determined, M2 is 98, 1000 by 500, volume given 500 milliliter. Okay, then it is W2 is 49. The W2 is 4.9 gram. 4.9 gram of H2SO4 is required to prepare 500 milliliter of a decimolar solution of sulfuric acid. Okay. Next point is your molality. That is denoted by small m. Okay. So molality means number of moles of a solute. Number of moles of a solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. 1 kilogram of solvent. Okay. The concentration means what I already told. The number of moles of solute in a specified volume of a solution or solvent. The molarity, the previous one, molarity was related with volume of a solution, but molality, L-I-T-Y, molality is related with the mass of solvent. Okay, so what is molality or what is the definition of molality? Number of moles of a solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent, that is called molality. Number of moles of a solute present in 1 kilogram of a solvent, that is called molality. So mathematically M is N2 by W1 in kg. What is W1? Weight of solvent. 1 is the subscript for solvent. The W1 is weight of solvent. Okay. So if in 5 kg of a solvent 20 moles of a solute is present. 5 kg of a solvent 20 mole of a solute is present. Then what is the molality? In 5 kg it is 20 moles. It is 1 kg, it is 20 by 5, that is 4 moles per kg. So molality means what is the number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of a solvent. What I told before the example, if 5 kg in 5 kg of a solvent, if 20 moles of a solute is present, then what is molality or what is the solute in 1 kg of a solvent? In 5 kg it is 20 moles, in 1 kg it is 20 by 5, that is weight of solute, number of moles of solute by mass of the solvent or weight of the solvent in kilogram. Okay, So mathematically, molality is number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of solvent, or we can write M is W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1 in gram. If the weight of a solvent is in gram unit, then we have to divide 1000, which is multiplied in the numerator. So this is the mathematical expression for molality. Molality means number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of a solvent, which as mathematical expression W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. What is W2? Mass of a solute. What is M2? Molecular mass of a solute. What is W1? Mass of the solvent. Okay. So if molality is given, then you calculate the, if molality is given, then you know the number of moles of a solute and the mass of the solvent. Suppose molality is given 2 moles per kg, then number of moles of solute, how much? 2 moles. Mass of the solvent W1, how much? 1 kg. So if molality is given, then number of moles of a solute is given, mass of the solvent is also given. So if molality is 2 moles per kg, the number of moles of solute is 2 moles, mass of the solvent is 1 kilogram. Okay. So what is the difference between molarity and molality? Molarity means number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Molality is number of moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent. Molarity is related with the volume of solution. Molality is related with mass of solvent. That is the basic difference between molarity, capital M, and molality, that is small m. Suppose there is a question, calculate molality if 4.4 gram of CO2 or 4.4 gram or 1.8 gram of glucose present in 250 gram of water. Okay, so glucose is solute, water is solvent. So what is the data given? Weight of solute given 1.8. Okay, and for glucose molecular mass you know 180. Okay, and 250 gram of water, water is the solvent, W1 is given 250 gram in gram unit. Then what is the molality? Then molality is W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1 in gram. Okay, so it is W2 1.8 by 180 into 1000 by 250. Okay, so it is 4, it is 100, it is 1 by 25 moles per kg. What is the unit for molality? Moles per kg. Number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Okay. So this is about your molality.